Hello and welcome to Subwatch TV. And today I want to give a full tutorial on CHRISVICMALL. There has been an update on CHRISVICMALL, so I want to give you a full tutorial on CHRISVICMALL. As it opens, kindly use this time to please subscribe for me. And I'll, any question you have about CHRISVICMALL, I'm ready to answer you. CHRISVICMALL and 1688. I'm here and ready to answer you. Now this is CHRISVICMALL. Now I want to log into the account. So the page is opened. Now we want to go to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard for CHRISVICMALL, and this is my dashboard. I have some few dollars over there. So let's go straight to why we came here. Now this is the new CHRISVICMALL, and it has a lot to it. Now if you go to the user info, that's where you give you your information about CHRISVICMALL. So let's go there and see, to give you everything about CHRISVICMALL. That is more or less your dashboard. Yes, you see your account balance, you see your unique ID and the rest. Now if you go to CHRISVICMALL bot, that CHRISVICMALL bot, if you want to link your CHRISVICMALL to your Telegram, you can link it to your Telegram. So I have already done that. So that's why I can see deactivate. If I want to deactivate, I can deactivate right now. So anything that I want, I can use the Telegram to access it and get information. And this is what you can do. ID, if you type ID, it will give you the 10 debit transaction. If you type IC, it will give you something. If you type SF Ghana, it will give you something. Whatever you type, it will give you something over there. Now my China address. Now when we buy from 1688 through CHRISVICMALL takes our China address, and give it to the supplier, so that the supplier will bring it, or they'll go for it over there. So if you are buying, you can buy through CHRISVICMALL. You can take your China address over here and give it to the supplier, and the supplier will bring it to the CHRISVICMALL on this address that you have given, to the room PQ45. So it will go there directly to you. So that's how it works. They're in Guangzhou, actually. They're in the Guangzhou city. So now when it comes to wallet, now this is where most people are waiting to see the add funds. If you're in Ghana, if you're in Nigeria, how to add funds to CHRISVICMALL. Now if you're in Nigeria, the first one is Bank NG. That's Bank Nigeria. If you want to top up. Now if you want to top up to Nigeria, you just fill this form here. You type your name, you type your amount, you type the bank that you select the bank that you are paying to, then the date that you paid, and you submit. The same way when you are paying through Ghana, you use the Ghana CD bank. Then you fill your name, amount that you are paying, the bank through from Ghana is UBA or Access Bank. Then you go to you enter the date of you enter the date. After you've done that, if you click on submit notification, it will go to a page whereby they'll give you an account number, of which you have to pay that same amount to that account. Immediately you pay that amount to that account, it will reflect here like that. Even if it doesn't reflect instantly, about 30 minutes time, it will reflect and you get whatever you want to get. If you are new with CHRISVICMALL, I think this is the best way you can if you are new with import and export, that's the import business, this is the best way to use. Now subscription package. Now if you go to the subscription package, that is where you have whether you have to how you want your subscription to be, either monthly or whatever. Now if you have so much money in there, you use the withdrawal fund, then you withdraw, then your transaction history too will give you all the transactions that you've done. Now if you bought something and it has CHRISVICMALL, if you want to see things bought from 1688, you click on 1688 order, you go there, you see your wish list, you see your item that and other stuff. So as I'm going there, let's see what we will see over there. Now this is my chart. I have this in chart. I have under processing 0, process 0, receive 0, ship 0, and that and what have you. So these are the items that I have in my chart. I've not shipped anything there, but with my other account I have done some shipment. This account I have not done. It's been a long time I did shipping. Now the next one is other supplies. Other supplies like Taobao, the TD, the China Mall. You can also buy from them through CHRISVICMALL, and they'll bring it to CHRISVICMALL for you. And come to my shipping book. Immediately you create CHRISVICMALL account, you have to put in your address. You have to put in your address. It's very, very important, so that when they are shipping, they ship to you at where you are. Now with this, while you type your receiver's name, you type your number, you type your resident address, you type your city and your country, then submit. So you see I have two different addresses over here. Anywhere they are all in Ghana. If I'm not around, I make someone else go and take for me. So these are my addresses that I have added over there. Now the next one is my China shipping request. Now if after buying and the things are in CHRISVICMALL, this is where you have to go before you can make your shipping. So if you click on China shipping request, it goes to China shipping request. Then that is where I don't have anything here. That is where you see your items over here. Then you click on it and click on process. Then it will process and tell you the amount you'll be paying for the shipping. Then that is all. Now from there, the rest are not that needed. You can also trade with Bitcoin. That's the cryptocurrency trade. Yes, and also if you want to contact them, website policies. The most important one is the one that I just talked about. That's the deposit and adding your shipping address and making your shipment. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question from this video, please kindly don't forget to comment in the section below. Maybe you need a step-by-step walkthrough from 1688 to CHRISVICMALL. I am very ready to assist you. So thank you very much for watching my video, and kindly click the notification icon for me, and also thumb me up and subscribe. Thank you.